All right, so this video is going to be a short video on how to make a two-tone strap. I know a lot of people already know how to do this, but some of the new beginners don't. So here's how I cut my two-tone. This is going to be the underneath, and it's kind of a navy faux. And this piece I cut 2 inches by the length of the vinyl roll. 2 inches by the length of the vinyl roll. I divide it down the middle and put a piece of double-sided tape because we're going to have raw edges on both pieces. Okay, so that's the first piece. The top piece is usually your pretty piece or your accent fabric. This is also the length of the vinyl, but it's 1.75 in width. Now, some people do 1.5, some people do the 1.75. I don't like a lot of the underneath fabric showing, just a glimpse, so that's why I do a 1.75. 1/8 of an inch of this will be showing on the top. Okay, so we make it like any other strap. So I'm going to take the time to do it with you guys. So again, I just divided it down the middle. Since this is 2 inches, I just made a mark 1 inch. And we're going to just fold that into the center. Now this faux leather does stretch just a little. So if you're going to use this, you just want to make sure that you're patting it down, not stretching it as you go. That's important. Hold on. All right. Sorry. Distractions everywhere today. This takes a little longer, because you don't want to stretch it, but it's worth it. So fold those raw edges into the center. You don't need to leave any space. This is not going to be folded again. You're putting the contrasting fabric on top. Okay. It's tedious. Making a two-tone strap is not a fast process, but the end result is very nice. Let me pull you down here so you can see. Now you'll see when I do the croc, I can, it's not stretchy, so I can fold this just a little different. I don't need to be quite as careful. This faux leather, though, is very, very nice from Sew Yours. Very nice. It's just, a lot of the vinyls today do have a little bit of a stretch, so you do have to be careful. It doesn't make them any less nice or worth it. It's just something to be aware of, really. Oh, my heat press is going off. Almost there. Okay, perfect. Now on this piece, I am going to put a piece of double-sided tape down the center so that I can add the top. So I'm just adding that right down the center, trying to stay away from my edges so that when I add the top, it doesn't move around on me. Okay, all right, let's do this one. I've done a lot of two-tone straps recently because I really like how they look. And it just gives the bag an interesting, different look. It adds to it, really. And you can see this one doesn't stretch, so as I'm going, I'm kind of smoothing it down. We have somebody in our attic right now, so I don't know if you can hear it, but that sounds like a big rat. It's a human. I'm always amazed when people can go up in an attic. Wintertime's the only time to do it down here too, because otherwise it's so hot up there. That they can walk on those rafters and the beams or whatever they call them and not fall through the ceiling. So because this doesn't stretch, you see how much faster it's going? Yeah. So pretty. All right. Now let's add it on top of this. So let me hold on. All right, let's see if this is any better for as far as the view goes. Just taking the tape off the bottom. And I'm going to take it off as I go. And we're going to add it right on top, centered. As centered as I can get it, just so I see barely 1/8 of an inch of the dark navy underneath. It's a 1-inch strap, by the way. Ends up to be a 1-inch strap. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. Oops. Okay, and then sometimes some of your vinyls aren't quite exactly the same length, so just trim it. And then on this edge, this crock had a little dark spot. I'm just going to trim that off too. Kind of like a salvage. It's going to be so nice. I think I am going to roll it just a little. Okay, let's sew it. of the strap as my guide. Always check your bobbin. I did not check my bobbin. I think I'm okay, but here it is. And then another thing, because I'm going to use strap ends, what I always do is I sew across the ends. That helps get your strap-ons a little bit easier because it makes the ends flat. Flatten them out a little. All right, let me move you back over here and let's grab our hardware. So we need a wide strap adjuster. We need our 2 strap ends. Oh, and she has it connected, but I'm not going to. So let me go grab some swivel clasps. All right, so I'm gonna first put on my slide adjuster. Up and over. Then I'm going to add my strap end. Screw those in nice and tight. Whoops. Okay. Then I'm going to fold that down and I'm going to put a rivet. I don't know. I have gotten to the point where I don't sew them anymore. I just use a rivet. So let's add a rivet there. 1 rivet. Okay, and let's mark where that's going to go. So just like that. Doesn't that look nice? All right, let me go punch that. All right, so I had that punched. Very nice. All right, let's add a swivel clasp. If you're going to use a swivel clasp, you don't have to. You could attach it directly to the bag, but I prefer to use a swivel clasp. Up through your slider. Back down. I haven't used rose gold hardware in a long time. It's very pretty. All right, and then I'm going to add my swivel before I add my other strap end. Okay. You don't get those screws going in straight up and down. Sometimes they catch. They won't go. Perfect. All right, and then let's add one more rivet. Right there. Let's mark for it. All right, let me grab a rivet. All right, let me press that and I'll be right back. All right, there you have a two-tone strap. So you have the croc on this side and the navy on this side. It's just so pretty. So pretty. That's how you make a two-tone crossbody strap, adjustable. So just to review the measurements, if you're going to make a 1 inch, what this is. The underside fabric is 2 inches wide by the length of the fabric, the vinyl roll. The top, I make it 1.75 wide by the length of the vinyl, but you can go as narrow as 1.5. What determines how much you see on either side? Let me play down here. So here you can just see, you can barely see the under navy, which is what I prefer. But some people like to see a little bit more of the underside, and that's absolutely fine. Two-tone crossbody strap. That's all there is to it. Easy peasy. Takes a little longer and it's a little more tedious, but it's so worth it. It really adds to your bags. Thanks for watching.